When we're talking about the importance of content, like everybody says, quality content, what does that really mean? Like, because everybody might have different metrics for that. What is quality content to you? How would you judge that?
So there's a couple things that you have to be considering, right? There's the Google algorithm. What do they consider quality content? I want them to see it as valuable.
Sure.
But ultimately, if it ranks but it doesn't resonate, you're still going to be falling short, right? Somebody's going to click on your page, they're going to look at this wall of text, and they're going to go somewhere else.
Okay. And you bring up a good point there, because time after time we see pages that rank. Like, you're ranking for car accident lawyer, you're number one, but it's not generating cases because maybe it's written for a bot or...
Yeah, maybe it's just written for rank. Maybe it doesn't resonate. And that's when we get into conversion rate optimization. We're optimizing a page in a way that's going to encourage to reach out to you. And you still want to have that content, because there are some, at least some percentage of people who are kind of information gatherers. You've got a couple of different kinds of people, right? When they're coming to the law firm website, they just want to talk to the lawyer as fast as they possibly can.
Sure.
They're looking for it. And that's great. I love those people. But you have, just like in other purchases that people make, you have kind of the researcher person who's going to come in. They're going to look at your car accident lawyer page, and they want to see that you know what you're talking about. They want to see...
They're skeptical.
Yeah, they want to look at a little bit more detail. So your content needs to answer maybe some of the bigger questions that they have.
Sure.
And as a lawyer, you already know what those questions are. If you have that experience, you know kind of what they're asking. And in the SEO world, we kind of can look and get some insight about what those questions are based on what people are asking.
Yeah.
And we kind of find out, hey, what do I do after a car accident?
Exactly.
Do I really need a lawyer for this? Or is this something, can I trust the insurance company to be fair and honest with me?
No, you're exactly right.